Hello viewers, Rahmat here. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the containers and the insertions. The containers and the insertions are more or less two sides of the same coin. As we know, there is a definition in a clue, the rest being the wordplay. Here, whether it's a container clue or an insertion clue, in the wordplay, there will be actually two parts, two pieces of text. In a container clue, one piece of text will take inside or will contain or will go around another piece of text. Whereas in an insertion clue, one piece of text will go inside or will be included by or will be inserted in another piece of text. And the piece of text can be in the form of word or phrase or abbreviation. Let's say X is the first part and Y is the second part. And in a container clue, the X part will take inside Y part. So it will be in one of these forms. And it will just be the opposite in an insertion clue. The X part will go inside Y part. See, the X part, the whole of it has gone inside the Y part. Now, suppose if we get two words, the first part is on and the second part is 8. And if we get a word oten, which happens to be synonym to the definition. So we see on has taken inside 8. Why? Because of the container indicator. This has happened. So this is a container clue. And here just the opposite has happened. On and 8. Now you see, the first part on has gone inside the second part and we got a word atone, which happens say to be the synonym of the definition. So here this has resulted because of the insertion indicator. Hope it's clear? So let's begin. Before we start working on the clues, let me tell you one thing, that we'll have to work on both the parts, the X part and the Y part. So let's take our first clue. Farm animal eating everything green. Now farm animal eating everything means farm animal taking inside everything. We have to simplify farm animal as also we have to simplify everything. Because this is asking for a 6-letter word and green is our definition here. Now for everything, we have a word, say all, a 3-letter word. So now a farm animal, we can think of a cow, a goat, sheep. But suppose if we take all here, we can think of a 3-letter word for a farm animal. Say cow. Now this cow eating all means this cow taking inside all. So all will come either here or here inside. Let's see. Cow. And we have a word callow. After we put inside all here, we get a word callow. And callow is an adjective meaning inexperienced or green, which is our definition. Bird permitted to go round tavern. Another container clue. Bird is our definition here. Permitted to go round tavern. So this is the X part, tavern is the Y part. Now, permitted, it will go around Taiwan. That means what? It will contain Taiwan inside. And in crossword Taiwan, we have a word for Taiwan, in, in. It is one of the most common words used for Taiwan in crossword clue. So suppose we have here in, it's asking for a 6-letter word. So we have to think of a 3-letter word for permitted. And there's a word let, L-E-T, let, which is also in the past tense. And this is the container indicator. So it will go round this. So the whole in will be inside let, somewhere here or here. Suppose in is here and suppose in is here. For this, there is no such word. Yes, we have a word, linnet. L-I-N-N-E-T. And linnet is a bird. And our definition. Another clue, attempt embracing old, drama on human suffering. Now, in literature, we have tragedy as drama on human suffering. Our definition here. Let's see if this works out to tragedy or not. Attempt. A simple word for attempt is try. And embracing old means taking in its arm the word old. For old, we have a word, aged. And these two will make 7-letter word. Now, let's see whether we get tragedy or not. Yes, we see that if we fit this aged here inside, we get the word tragedy. And tragedy is drama on human suffering. And our answer. And here embracing is the container indicator. Our next clue, happy to accommodate in Asia. Asia with a question mark. Our definition here is Asia. So Asia, what's Asia? What is Asia? Most probably a continent, a 9-letter word, continent. Now, happy, the X part, to accommodate in the Y part. Now, happy to accommodate in means happy will take inside the word in. Now, it's asking for a 9-letter word. Another word for happy we can think is content. Now, we are coming to the fact that our assumption is coming true. We are lacking only 2-letter words, and that is in. And in can be accommodated here, inside content. Content, and this in remains as it is in, coming inside here. And continent is Asia. And to accommodate is the container indicator. Our last container clue, fancy, one race embracing sorcerers. Now fancy is our definition here. And one race together in the X part, embracing sorcerers. in the Y part. Now you see, we have again here embracing. We did embracing a little while earlier, indicating that it's a container indicator. Now in crossword clue, normally we have the letter I, and in English numeral also we write like this, 1 or 0 like this, 0. So we write the letter O for 0, the letter I for 1. So here 1, 1 can be taken as I, and race is nation. Now this is asking for a 11-letter word. Now sorcerers, I have a word here, Magi, M-A-G-I, Magi. M-A-G-I, Magi. Now one race embracing, taking into its arms the word sorcerers or Magi. So Magi is coming here, and we are getting I, and then Magi, and then nation. And the word which we get here is imagination, which is a synonym of fancy, our definition. Let's take some insertion clues. We start with this, sink as in recycling receptacle. Now in is a content indicator or an insertion indicator. Now sink is our definition here. We have the X part as and the second Y part as recycling receptacle. Asking for a 5-letter word. We can think a recycling receptacle, a word, bin, a 3-letter word, bin. And as, we let as remain as it is, as. Now the X part will go inside the Y part, because this is an insertion indicator. Now we have two alternatives. As can go inside here or here. Now this doesn't seem to be a word, but this seems. We get a word, basin. And what is basin? Basin is a sink. And our answer. Our next clue, missing worker found in extension. Missing is our definition here. Worker found in extension. This is the X part, this is the Y part. In crossword clues, we come across the word worker, and generally we see that the answer comes out to be ant or bee. Of course, they are excellent workers. Now, suppose we take ant here. Found in is the insertion indicator. So this is the first part. This will go inside extension, a synonym of it, together, which will be a word of 7 letters. We can think in the other way also, like missing, we have words like, say, wanting, lacking, needing. Now, we can see that in wanting, we have ant. What are the remaining letters? W-I-N-G, wing. Yes. Another word for extension is wing. And ant goes inside wing. Say here, wing, and goes inside here. We get the wanting, and wanting is the synonym of missing. And our answer. Our last clue, hide pieces of films shown in middle of week. Now hide is our definition here. Pieces of films is our X part, shown in middle of week. Middle of week is the Y part. Now shown is the insertion indicator or content indicator. Now pieces of films can be clips. Shown in inside middle of week. Now as beginners we may guess middle of week to be Wednesday or Thursday, but no, it is not so. The middle of week is right inside here. This is the left of week. This is the right side of week. Okay. And the middle of week or the central part of week is double E. And these pieces of films, clips, shown inside this. So it will go inside this. Clips, it will go inside E and E. Since this is an insertion clue, and what is eclipse? To eclipse is to hide. And this is our answer. I now present you with 5 clues based on this episode for you to solve at your leisure. I hope you have enjoyed solving crossword with me. If so, please give a like. And if you are new to the channel, please share and subscribe for future updates. Bye.